Here I've got BLUBOO Xtouch, and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the settings, then scroll down, find and select apps, and here you have to pick the more icon, which is 3+1 in upper corner. Just click here and now tap on Reset App Preferences. You have to confirm it because this operation will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restriction for apps, and any permission restriction, but you will not lose any app data. So if you truly want to do it, if you truly want to reset app preferences, just click on Reset Apps. And that's it. This is how you reset app preferences. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.